you sure it's a business meeting?
My sister, I don't even know. That's what he told me.
And his line is not reachable till now.
That's the most confusing part. I don't even know. Who do I start calling now?
Hi.
Honey, where have you been?
Where are my kids?
They are in the room. Honey? Honey, are you okay? Why is he acting weird? Honey? 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 Honey?
Why is your heart full of evil? You look innocent outwards, but inside of you, you are very dangerous. Beware of him. He's not what you think he is. Beware of him. He's not what you think he is. He's the master planner. My flesh and blood. He's the master planner. My flesh and blood. America one day. My flesh and blood. Be fair, my flesh and blood. He planned everything. My flesh and blood.
Manager, you mean you met him like this?
Yes, officer. It was a staff who alerted the management before we called you.
Officer,
Sir!
get me an ambulance.
Yes, sir!
Yes, officer, there is an emergency. His wife just fainted. Are you sure he's the one? He was in the house this morning. Okay, I'll be on my way. I'll be on my way immediately to the hotel. All right. Ada, wake up. Ada, wake up.
Arrow. How can you say that Kevin is dead? Our in-law Kevin dead? Hey. What happened? Okonkwo. Hey!
How can one explain this kind of thing? Okonkwo, my brother. Please take heart. This is a very big loss to the entire family. Please take heart. Kevin, a young, vibrant man. Handsome man. Hey.
This is a very big calamity. A very big one.
Hey!
How about you? How about you?
I'm sorry about the death of your ex-husband and your in-law. It's quite a terrible thing to experience. But I just want to assure you that I'll be here for you. Okay?
Thank you very much, Olisa. Thank you.
That's okay. That's okay. Listen, I'll be by your side all through this trying time. Alright?
Oh no.
Stop crying. Stop crying.
Why
Everything
me?
Everything's
Why
going to be
me,
fine.
God? Why? Why is this happening now, God? Oh no.
That's okay. That's okay. I'm sorry. Everything's going to be fine, okay? Sorry. To be fine. Please, I need you to be strong, okay? You know, you don't need this right now. It's not good for you. Sorry. It's okay.
Oh God, Olisa. Oh God.
I understand how deeply hurt you are. But it's going to be fine. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, that's okay. That's okay. Come on, let me take you somewhere.
Hey! Alue, man. Hey! Two brothers, sons of the same parents, died one after the other within 24 hours. Hey! This is impossible.
Kenneth was poisoned inside the police cell. And Kevin followed a strange woman, Pino, and died on top of her inside the hotel.
Hey! I didn't know.
Is Ada not good enough for you? What kind of embarrassment is this? Kevin, you waste your own wine. No, just from there. If you look for how to go, it is through Pino on top of the bed in the hotel room.
I'm very, very disappointed. Hello?
Dora, you say it's okay. Okay. It's okay. I will stop crying. Kevin, why did you stop me? Say we do. Kevin, what did I do to you? Kevin, you disappointed me. It's okay. Kevin, what?
Ada, please, you need to stop crying. Okay, you can't undo what is done. God gives and God takes. So please be strong and stop crying.
But he said to stop crying. I said I'm gonna stop crying. Melissa, do you know that he showed himself He came here, I thought he was my husband, though. I did not know he was there, though. He went straight to the children's room. I did not know he was dead. Hey, Gabby, why did you do this to me? Hey! Sandra killed my husband. Oh. Sandra, you have fulfilled your mission, daughter. You want me. This girl has killed my husband. Oh, who will be my husband? Hey! Gabby, please come back. Oh.
That girl killed him out of jealousy. She killed him because of jealousy. Yes, but I must look for that girl. I'll find her and I shall avenge my nephew's death. Bam! She must not go scot free.
She will pay with her life.
Yes, she must pay with her life.
Well, the good thing is that the two brothers, they both of them have sons. Yeah. Is it Salvador or whatever he calls him? And Kenneth himself also has Monachi and Jasmine, the daughter. You see?
So, about Kevin's death, how do we put it on the wife? Because we need to take over all this property from her, kick her out of the house. If not that she had quarrel with Kelvin, he wouldn't have met his death that night. Or what do you think?
You have a point there. You have a point. But come to think of it, she did not ask Kevin to go and die on top of a woman in the hotel room. Or, I mean, then how do we now start?
Oji, use your brain. Use your brain. See, she told us how Kevin went out in the night. I suspect she's lying to us. Yes, she's lying to us. Who goes to work by night? They had quarrel. They had serious quarrel. And Kevin went to rest his head on another woman's chest. And unfortunately, he met his death. That is how we're going to put it. See, don't worry, Oji. Don't worry, Oji. Don't be afraid. I know what to say. We are going to take all these properties from her and other properties. We'll take it from them and kick her out of this house. Let's go inside.
What?
Let's go inside. I know what to say. Don't worry yourself. Your daughter killed our son.
Yes.
Are you out of here? Is something wrong with you? Well, that is the reason we are here, to inform you people. Because if she was not yelling and shouting on her husband that very night, Kelvin wouldn't have gone to the hotel to be with another woman.
What is wrong with this man? Are you okay? What nonsense are you vomiting from your mouth? Kevin, all the time he was alive, have never come here to report that he has any issue with our daughter. Where are you forming all this thing from?
And we know they have been living in harmony. Yes. There has never been any trouble with two of them. What is your problem? Your brother died on top of another woman. Why are you blaming our daughter? Is something wrong with you? I have known you as a foolish man, also.
We cannot take this. No, we cannot. See, let me tell you. Immediately after the burial of our son, your daughter is packing to return back into this house. And she's going to leave everything our brother's son left behind like that. She's coming back here.
She's already on her way.
Yes.
Because a good woman will always do what pleases the husband.
Yes.
But this one, she killed her brother. She lured him to his death. That woman must leave our family.
She frustrated him till he
Frustrated him! She must leave our family. Just look at you. I'm just looking at you. Oh, you think that era, when you wake up and throw a woman and her child out of her late husband's house, is still in vogue? Eh? You think that is still happening?
No.
My friend, let me tell you something. If you try it in this era,
you are the owners of jail. That's why we're not in jail.
Not when death is involved.
Shut up with that.
When life has been taken.
Your brother was a dog who died on top of a woman.
Just prepare a room for your daughter. She's returning into the house.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Let's go.
What nonsense? You're a very big fool, Ofo. You're a very big fool. You are not ashamed that your brother died in a hotel room. Your brother died on top of a woman in a hotel room. You still have the right to come here to
If it was your daughter that was killed, I know how you have been reacting.
How do we console ourselves? I cannot believe that Kelvin was still cheating on me after everything he promised me. He promised me that he was never going to go back to Sandra again.
He was looking for a child. It took you time to conceive for him. And that was why he cheated on you with Sandra. And you know that.
But Sandra did not give him a child. I took him for him after I gave birth to Salvador. I'm pregnant.
I'm pregnant too. 2 months.
We are pregnant. And the men are nowhere to be found. Kenneth died in the police custody. And Kelvin died in the hotel. Now Sandra is nowhere to be found. I am broken. I don't even know where. I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. Kelvin, why? Why did you tear my heart? Why you tore my heart into shreds, God? Can I ever get over this pain? Kelvin, why, Kelvin? Kelvin, why?
Oh, Lisa. Chidima, my daughter, is already pregnant. 2 months for her husband. I guess that is why she rejected your proposal. You know, she's pregnant for her ex-husband, Kenneth.
Mama, first off, I want to say I'm truly sorry for your huge loss. Okay, and I know this is not the right time to talk about I and Chidima. But I want to assure you that I truly love your daughter. I sincerely love her. And I'm ready to make her my wife, even with the pregnancy.
Huh?
Yes, Mama, I'm doing this in good faith. Listen, I'm only doing all this because I want her to know how much I truly love her. I love her unconditionally. So please, understand that I will never stop loving your daughter, Mama.
What? Hey! Hey! Thank you so much, my son. Thank you. You are indeed a good man. It is right to see such outpour of love for a girl in such condition. God bless you.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
Thank you Mama, please, just keep reminding her that I'm here waiting for her. Okay?
I will.
Please, Mama.
I will, my son. I will. I will do everything to convince her to be for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ogalaya, you are not going to read anything. This woman killed my nephew, and she must leave this house today, or we will go to the village and bring the youths of our village, and they will come to this city and wreak havoc. You must leave here.
It's your fault. You are joking. And you know you cannot do anything. You see this your plan? It will not work. Do you know why? If you dare me, I will kill you. It's your fault. If you dare me, I'm going to kill you. Look at you. Do I look like a child to you? Or do I look like someone that can kill my husband?
Yes, you look like it. In fact, you are someone that can kill somebody. You have killed our own brother with your harsh and wicked and uncontrollable mouth. You pushed him to his death.
That is a fat lie. Kelvin was cheating on my friend, and he died on top of a woman. So what are you saying?
Shut up, you! Shut up! We invited you into this case. Who are you?
Dorothy, don't mind these people. They are mere dramas. I can stage and control them. They cannot do anything, and they know it. You people know it. You cannot do anything.
Okay.
Please. I need you all to respect the will of my late client in person of Mr. Kelvin Nwachukwu. I'm only here to read out his will as written by him when he was very much alive.
Can you go on?
Thank you. Barrister, read the will. Just read it. But it will not stop us from doing what we are here for. Because this woman must leave this house today.
Exactly.
We are very ready for you. You will see. We are very ready for you. Before you call down your police, we won't call you. See.
This is the will of late Mr. Kelvin Nwachukwu. He wrote, I read this will, in utmost honesty and in good faith. I plead with my entire family that this will should be respected and regarded in any circumstance it may be. This is my asset. I have currently 4.4 billion naira in total of my 4 accounts. 1 billion naira in 14 bank accounts, 2 billion naira in Crystal bank accounts, 1 billion naira in Danish accounts, and 400 million naira in winning bank accounts. I have in my residence 200 million naira where my wife and kids are living. I have 3 filling stations in the city of Abuja. Kevin filling stations, 14 plots of land in the city, 15 plots of land in my village, and I have 3 duplex under renting in Gwarimpa and Wuse, Abuja. The total number of 4 cars. My residence both in Abuja and in my hometown shall be given to my wife, Adeze Nwachukwu, and the 6 plots of land both in the village and in Abuja, and the duplex in Wuse and the cash of 1.5 billion naira. With a car. The 3 filling stations shall be shared amongst my 2 sons, Munachi and Salvador. Munachi as the first son shall have 2 filling stations. While Salvador will take one of the filling stations, Jasmine, my daughter, will inherit the 2 duplex and 8 plots of land, 1.1 billion naira cash as my first and only daughter.
Mr. Barrister, I think there's a mix-up somewhere. There's a mix-up.
And what is the mix-up, ma'am?
Munachi and Jasmine are not my late husband's children. They are children of Kenneth. They are not his children.
You are confusing us.
Yes, I'm lost.
I'm only reading out the will as stated here by your late husband.
And I'm trying to correct you that they are not his children. They are my sister's kids.
Please, can I finish reading?
Read on. Read on.
Madam, if you're not comfortable, I will advise you to go to court and seek redress.
Okay, read.
Okay, go ahead.
My second wife, Chidima, who is currently pregnant for me, shall inherit.
Stop!
Huh?
What are you reading? What in God's name are you reading? What are you even reading? Are you mad?
No, he is not. I am the legitimate wife of Kelvin Nwachukwu. Yes. This is our court wedding certificate.
Hey!
And I am pregnant for him.
Chidima.
Chidima. What did you say? Can you rephrase yourself?
I was never married to Kenneth.
Huh?
It was all a game planned. Yes. Kelvin deflowered me and got me pregnant under this roof. We got married in court, and his plan with his brother Kenneth was to get me married traditionally. Yes. As for my children, they are Kelvin's flesh and blood. I have proof, so they have every right to inherit what belongs to them. And as for me, his second wife, I am also going to inherit what belongs to me, as it is written in the will. Yes.
Am I dreaming? I don't know. I cannot wrap this around my head. Somebody tell me I'm dreaming. It's a dream. Chidima, are you joking?
Chidima, tell us you are joking. Tell us it's not true.
Please, you're joking.
Do I look to you like a clown?
Yes, you look like a clown. So you were not married to Kenneth? Hey! He married 2 sisters. Ofuna. Hey! Kevin, no. I need one key me also.
Dorothy, what is happening here? Are we still on planet Earth? Hey, Dorothy, what is happening here? What is my kid sister saying?
I'm not your kid sister, I'm your co-wife.
Hey, whoa! This cannot be true. No, tell me it's not true. Somebody should tell me it's not true. That this is not happening in my house.
Mama, if you don't want to come to me in this family, tell this thing never to step our foot in my house again. Never even question.
Adeze, please. Calm down. Your sister is here. Let us hear from her.
Hey, Dora.
Chai! It is all right, oh!
Just calm down. Let's go to the root of this. Calm down first. Okonkwo, my brother. Please. Ask Chidima with your own very mouth. Ask her what her sister Daisy just said here now. Is it true? Is this abomination true?
Chidima,
Papa,
is it true that you and Kevin have been fooling us over the years? Is it true that the children you claim to have for Kenneth belongs to Kevin? Is it also true that you both secretly had a court marriage? Please don't reply that these are true.
it is very, very true, Papa. And I am pregnant for him.
Christ, I can't believe you did such a thing.
You better believe it.
So of all the men in the world, you had to sleep with your sister's husband. Girl, you crossed the line. So don't even try to justify your actions, because you should be blamed.
Listen, no one should blame me.
Don't even give me that crap. Don't. Can you hear yourself? You had an illicit affair with your sister's husband, so you should be blamed. Come on, what is wrong with you?
I don't even know you anymore.
See, she got the signal but never cared. I was naive. Olisa, I was in love. This man came into me. We made love. He got me pregnant. Yes, that was what happened. And see, I'm going to stand strong and fight for my husband. Yes, I'll fight for love. And I'm going to fight for my children. Yes, with the last drop of my blood. They're going to inherit what belongs to their late father. See, Olisa, no one should blame me. You should blame my elder sister.
So help me understand, what do you mean when you say we should blame your elder sister? That you opened up your legs for him. He didn't rape you, right? So you should be blamed.
No, he didn't. It all happened this way.
You want my sister Chidima to leave this house while your brother stays. It won't work.
Ada, I need you to tell me something. Whose house is this? Mine.
Yeah, it's your house. It's my house.
Whose decision stands in this house?
Well, you cannot be asking my sister to leave. Why would you do that?
Because I want her to stay in school. That's what students do. They stay in school.
Oh, I see. So you don't want me to have eyes on my sister, right? You want all those bad boys and cultists to spoil my sister. A year one student. Listen, she stays in this house and that's on period.
Ada, listen to me. I'm not trying to fight with you. Alright? The truth is, sometimes we disagree to agree. And I also know that your sister visits sometimes, but I don't want her to live in this house. It's as simple as that.
But your brother Kenneth has been living with us.
Oh my God.
Why? Kelvin, why do you treat my family with such disregard? You sure other people care? Even people you're not related to. But when it comes to my family, you're so adamant about the whole thing. It's not fair. My sister lives in this house and she goes to school from here. That's on period.
Ada, you win. Tell your sister to come and stay with us. In fact, she should come with her friends, okay? Good night.
Your brother Kenneth lives here, eats here, does everything here. Then you want my sister to start living in the school. It will not work.
Sister, why is your husband insisting I should leave the house? Whereas you know my school is very close to the house here.
No. Who told you that?
I'm sorry, sister. But I had the both of you arguing last night. You guys were arguing. He was insisting I should leave the house. Sister, is it not just better I look for somewhere to stay so I won't cause problem between you and your husband?
Chidima, you're not causing problem between me and my husband. Eh? Husband and wife quarrel. Don't worry, you understand when you get married. We've agreed that you're going to stay, so you're staying. Hmm? And please, stop listening to my husband's conversation with me so it doesn't create bad opinion in your head about my husband.
It's alright, sister.
My husband is a nice man. Stop. You know what? Go and get ready. You're going to the market with me.
My flesh and blood of Abalamo. I sacrificed my life for you. I gave you all, one never.
Chidima. Why are you here? Why are you not sleeping in the room?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You should sleep in the room, not on the couch.
You're welcome, sir.
Where's my wife?
She went to the church with her friend.
And my brother?
He went out.
Alright, can I get some water to drink?
Alright, sir.
What have I not done to please you? What is my crime? After all my effort to see you through, I get nothing.
Come in. Oh, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Are you getting ready for school?
Yes, sir.
I see. Alright, yeah. Your sister wants me to give this to you. I think it's for your handouts or something.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Alright. See you around.
Bye-bye, sir.
Yeah.
Madam, I don't see anything wrong if your husband says your sister should stay in the hostel or get a lodge.
When I have a house? Dorothy, what are you talking about?
Seriously, I don't like the way you're caging this girl. Allow her enjoy school life now, and she's no longer a kid.
Listen to me, my sister is still a kid. She's just 23 years old. Maybe when she's in third year or fourth year, she can live her life however she wants. But now, I have to be the big sister that I am.
Well, I still support your husband 100%. Allow this girl live in school. Let her make friends. Let her live her life, please.
Not when his brother has not agreed to give us space. If his brother leaves, my sister will give us space as well.
But that your husband brother, he's not a female. He's not.
And Chidinma is my sister.
This your feminism lifestyle, when you think men and women are equal. It's going to land you into a very precarious situation one day.
That's your own cup of tea. His brother leaves, my sister leaves as well. And that's some period, baby girl. Enough of that. There's this new restaurant in town, so I'm taking you there.
Why is your heart full of evil? You look innocent outwards, but inside of you, you are very dangerous. Beware of him. It's not what you think.
What's going on?
Or you will become.
This girl is all over me.
He's the master planner.
I can't concentrate.
He's the master planner.
My wife won't understand.
He's the master planner.
Oh gosh.
He's the master planner.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You're cleaning?
Yes, sir.
Where's my brother?
I don't know. He should be downstairs.
Okay. Make sure you clean that area. Yeah, over there.
Full of evil. innocent at worst, but inside of you, you are very dangerous. It's not what you think he is. Why is your heart full of evil? You look innocent at worst, but inside of you, you are very dangerous.
Come in.
Beware of him.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi, Chidima. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How's school today?
School was fine.
Alright, your sister asked you to come get the stuff I got for her?
Yes. She's waiting in her car.
Alright. There you go.
Yes, sir. She said I should ask you what you're going to eat for dinner.
Jollof rice is fine. Alright. Chidima.
Sir.
Come. I noticed your zipper is open.
Sorry, sir. The zip was spoiled. I'll fix it.
Yeah.
Alright, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
He is capable of anything.
Hey. Temptation. Everywhere.
He planned everything. He is in control. He's the master planner. He's the deceiver. He's the demon. Why is your heart full of evil? You look innocent at worst, but inside of you, you are very dangerous. Beware of him. It's not what you think he is. Beware of him. It's not what you think he is. He's the master planner. He's the master planner. America one day. Obi Ferreyasu. He planned everything. He is in control. He's the master. He's the deceiver. He's the demon. It is often a waste of time to persuade a hardened criminal to change his way.
Who's it? Come in.
He is capable of anything.
Sir, my sister said I should give you the phone. She has been calling and you're not picking up.
Or you will become his victim. He's the master planner. My flesh and blood. 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 He planned everything. My flesh and blood. He is in control. My flesh and blood. He's the master planner. My flesh and blood. He's the deceiver. My flesh and blood. He's the demon. My flesh and blood. Why is your heart?
Sir.
Yeah, relax.
You look innocent.
What's wrong? Hmm?
Inside of you.
Come here.
You are very dangerous.
Shh. Listen.
Beware of him.
I know you want me.
It's not what you think.
I want you too.
Beware of him.
I can't hold it any longer.
It's not what you think.
Just relax, okay?
He's the master planner.
I know you want me to do this. Don't you?
And that is it.
Gosh, this is so irritating. I can't believe my ears right now. So what then happened? He tried to send you out of the house after sleeping with you.
Yes. After the first time we made love, we never saw each other again till 2 months. And then I was madly in love with him. It was when my sister refused me leaving the house for the second time. That was when all these things started.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know, I didn't realize you haven't done it before. But I appreciate it. I'm happy you gave it to me. I love you.
You too.
It's not what you think. Beware of him. It's not what you think. He's the master planner. He's the master planner. My flesh and blood. America one day. My flesh and blood. My flesh and blood. He planned everything. My flesh and blood. He is in control. My flesh and blood. He's the master planner. My flesh and blood. He's the deceiver. My flesh and blood. He's the demon. My flesh and blood. It is often a waste of time. Why is your heart full of evil? You look innocent.
Kenneth,
Brother.
like I said, you need to get ready. You're going to Brazil next month. I made all the arrangements and documents ready. So you're traveling next month to Brazil.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, Auntie.
One more thing. I need you to be in your best behavior.
Yes, I will. I promise you I will.
Please, do not disappoint me.
No, no.
Alright, so get your things ready. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Chidima, sister, come and sit here. Are you seeing any guy in your school?
Guy, what? No, I'm not seeing anybody, sister.
So, why do you always act lost and cold? You don't even have time to discuss with me anymore. Always sleeping. What is wrong with you?
Sister, you know we're having our exams, that's why.
Exams? So it's your exam that is making you to always sleep?
Sister, I had a hectic day, please. I'm tired, let me rest.
He planned everything. He is in control. He's the master planner.
Please, allow my sister to stay. Please, my love.
Ada, you told me in confidence, if my brother leaves, she leaves. You said that to me months ago.
Yes, baby, but you know what I'm scared of. I don't want her out of my sight.
Ada, your sister is not a child. Alright, you've protected her enough.
No!
What do you mean no? Listen, she needs to live her own life. Okay? She needs her own privacy. Come on.
Oh, darling, please allow her stay just for this semester. Next semester she leaves. Please.
He planned everything. He is in control.
Honey, now, please now.
I don't know what else you want me to say. I'm short of words. You're pregnant.
Yes.
Does your sister know about this?
She doesn't.
She doesn't have to know. So you're not going to tell her?
This is an abomination. I can't keep the pregnancy.
I don't like that word. I can't. You can't. I've been married to your sister for 4 years without a child. So this pregnancy is important to me. You're going to keep it because I'll marry you.
She's going to kill me.
Listen to me. I understand how you feel. But like I said, I've been married to your sister for 4 years without a child. Everyone thinks I'm impotent. So this child is important to me. Because it proves that I am not impotent.
My sister is going to kill me.
Listen to me. Let me worry about that. I promise to take care of that. Don't you trust me?
Sure.
Look at me.
Secrets
I love you.
cannot be hidden forever. You cannot eat a crab without drawing people's attention. Madana Fukwagi,
Kenneth, I need your help. You have to do this for me. You're not only doing it for me, your brother. You're doing it for the entire family. I promise to reward you.
Oh, brother, you know...
I know. I know how you feel. But this is very, very important. Listen to me. Henceforth, you're me and I'm you. Because everything I have belongs to you. You're my only brother. I have big plans for you. And that is why you have to wait. Henceforth, you'll accept her as your wife. You'll accept the pregnancy. And after the child is born, I'll marry her in court. Please.
I will not get married to her.
No, you're not getting married to her. Nobody said you will. I'll get a house for her. To the general public, both of you are married and you live together. But the house originally belongs to her.
For how long, brother? My life and dreams will be on hold.
Listen, like I said before, I have a plan for you. Okay? At some point, you're going to be free. And that's when I'm bold enough to take her as my wife. But I have to tell you when that should happen. Now, this is the plan. You're going to take her to her village. At some point, you tell her people that you're no longer interested in a marriage. And that's why I come in. Alright? Please.
Okay.
And you, I totally understand how you feel. But you don't have to be afraid. Kenneth is my only brother. My blood brother. So he's not coming to touch you or have sex with you. And I want you to be bold. Alright? Don't be scared of your sister. I'm going to handle everything. And technically you're my wife because you're carrying my child. So by right I'm supposed to take care of you and take care of the child. Do you understand me?
Secrets cannot
I need your cooperation.
be hidden forever.
I
You
love you.
cannot eat a crab without drawing people's attention.
Wow. Seems like a dream to me. I can't believe all of this is happening. So deep and terrible.
I will accept it. I'm his wife. Nothing can change it. Legitimate wife of Kenneth Machuku.
Do you realize how deeply hurt I am right now? I'm speechless and my heart is broken.
I'm sorry. It is not my fault.
So you're pregnant with his child? Really?
I am pregnant for my late husband.
Wow. Wow. I can't believe two sisters is getting married to same man.
I love him. I love him. I don't care. Yes. I'm going to prove to him to make sure I take what is rightly mine. Yes. I will do that.
So I guess there's little or nothing I can do at this point, right?
Lisa, Nothing can be done here.
Oh. 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 Can't believe this.
You cannot escape it. You can run, but you cannot hide.
Ifeoma, how is it doing?
I don't know.
This kind of abomination is happening now that our brother is not well. What are we going to do? Our in-law have broken our hearts. Why?
I'm speechless and confused. I don't even know what to say or what to do. Ada is pregnant for her late husband. So is Chidinma the younger sister. What sort of thing is this?
I want to die.
My husband, please stop saying things like this. You are not going anywhere. You're not going to die. Please. Biko no nam biko. It's okay.
What the Ezemo said has come to reality.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I wish I never saw this abomination. And I wish that could go fast.
My husband, please.
Take me.
You're not dying. There is solution to every situation. We must find solution to this. You know?
That is the solution. We have come to the height of it. I cannot bear it any longer.
Hey.
Chidinma has killed me. Chidinma has killed every cell inside of me. I just want to die. I want to die.
You will not die. I am begging you. You will not die. Don't leave me in the midst of nowhere.
Okonkwo, stop saying things like this. You are not going to die. You will live.
Yes.
This is not the first time. Your place is not the first place. We have to find solution to this. There must be a solution. Please stop saying you will die. You are not going anywhere. You are not dying.
It's not the end of the world. There must be a way out.
Yes.
Wait.
Please stay here with me because Namu. Hey.
My flesh and blood of Abraham, Ewujimo. My flesh.
Are you okay?
I sacrificed my life for you.
Oh!
I gave you all.
Are you okay? Get the car key, honey, get the car key. Oh!
Babe.
Oh! Get the car key. Take it easy. Chidinma, take it easy. Take it easy. Honey, get the car key.
Yeah,
Sister, my
okay.
have it. Oh!
Monachi.
Yes, mommy.
Take.
Mommy, I want.
Don't worry. Yours is inside. Where is Jasmine?
She's inside sleeping.
You can sit here and eat.
Mommy. Oh, my stomach. Oh, mommy. 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 My stomach. Mommy.
No, we cannot accept this abomination. Whether our sons, Kelvin and Kenneth, lied or played trick on us, we cannot accept you two women to be members of our family. Yes, it is a taboo for two sisters to get pregnant for the same man. And it is an abomination for that same two sisters to get married to that same man. So you see, it cannot work. It's a sacrilege. We can't accept that. Yeah. No. Hey.
Abomination. A taboo. A very big one at that. So both of you, I don't know what you are doing. You are just wasting your time. You cannot be part of our family. Therefore, every document or every properties that our brother has, you have to submit it to us.
Yes, submit it to us.
That will take care of it very well.
You find your way.
I don't know what you two are saying, but you both know that my late husband, Kelvin, married only one wife. In the eyes of God and man, Kelvin wedded me traditionally, and we wedded in church. You two can attest to it. So whoever you are referring to as wives has no place in this house. Never.
Well, my darling husband Kelvin married me legally under the constitution of the marriage law. Yes. By rights, I am his legitimate wife. I have my certificates. Besides, if we should put it in a normal way, I am supposed to be his first wife because I gave him the first male child. Yes.
You are a fool.
You are a fool too.
Chidinma, you are a very big fool. Kelvin did not wed you traditionally, and he did not wed you in church. You are just an unfortunate fool, a slut. You want to reap where you did not sow. Animal. Can you imagine?
Let me tell you, I believe in law, whether tradition or not. The constitution has made me the legal wife of my deceased husband. I have kids, a boy and a girl. And that thing you're carrying in your stomach, I don't even know if he's the father or not.
How dare you?
How dare you too?
Chidinma, how dare you insinuate that I'm pregnant for someone else? Chidinma, you a fool. You will not die well, Chidinma.
That thing on your stomach will kill you.
That thing you're looking for, you will see it. Chidinma, you are a fool. You are a slut. You are a hopeless girl. I regret every penny that I spent on you. You will not die well. You are a slut. That thing you're looking for, you will see it. You're talking to me, Adeze.
You see the reason it is is a taboo for two sisters to marry the same man. You can kill each other. So all these things, you two should go.
Uncle, leave me. Let me talk to this fool.
Ochaka
Omaka.
It's
Look
my
at her.
husband that I blame.
Evil.
Kelvin, look at how you're making this thing insult you. It's not your fault. No, but your fault today.
My flesh and blood of our
Hey!
I sacrificed my life for you. I gave you all. One never.
Hey! Hey! Affordable. Affordable.
Apart from the abominable act that has been done and committed, now, what do we do now? Because the test result shows that those children belongs to Kevin. Chidima's children, they all belongs to Kevin.
See, Oji, Ada is the one recognized as the wife of Kevin. Kevin married her traditionally. The gods affirmed their marriage as wife of Kevin. But that is not what we are talking about now.
In the eyes of the law too, Chidima is a legitimate wife of Kevin too. But the law says it, they had court wedding. But Ada did not have court wedding with Kevin.
Yeah. Are we talking about court wedding here? We are talking about culture. Culture, which is the main thing of everything done traditionally. It is not about this court wedding you are talking about. It's about our way of life, our way of marriage, the African way, not the Western way. Court wedding is not recognized in this place.
Yeah. What then becomes the case of Chidima? The way you are saying, what have you to say concerning Chidima?
I do not recognize her as a wife. I'm a traditional man. And I say it again, both of them shall live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Well, it's okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Chidima, you have killed your father. You have killed your own father. There was nothing we didn't do to make you talk. We asked you. We begged you. We forced you. Yet you shut your mouth. You didn't say a word. You have turned me a widow. You have made me a widow. Oh God, you left me in the midst of all these crises to suffer. Hey, this girl one,
Ifeoma, it's okay. It's okay, Okonkwo, my brother. The last time I saw him, I saw the pains, the heartbreak his daughter brought upon him I suspected he might not make it, and my suspicion have come to reality. Chidinma, you have killed Okonkwo, my brother. It's okay. Odila.
Chidinma, your abomination just killed your father and brother. And you are happy, bah? There's no problem. Let's be going. We will get to the root of it.
I begged you. I personally begged you to open up to me. I cajoled you. I talked to you like a mother will to a child. Thank you. Ifrunki, well done. Thank you very much for making me a premature widow.
Chidinma, you have done your worst, Chidinma. I was only protecting you as my only sister. My flesh and blood. Chidinma, how did you pay me back? You stabbed me in my heart, Chidinma. How can you be so wicked? I trained you, Chidinma. I trained you from secondary school to the university. Chidinma, I clothed you, I fed you. I made sure you were alright. Chidinma, you just made me this way. The ground, the earth, they will speak for me, they will fight you. You will never see anything good in your life. Even the kids you claimed were Kenneth, Chidinma, I was taking care of them.
You can stop taking care of them. Their father was a billionaire before he died.
Will you shut up?
No.
Shut up!
Okay, we're not going to
Shut up, Bona! Shut up, boy, idiot! I was you!
You shall see the spirit of Baba will fight you until you die.
Let it haunt you too.
You will die a shameful death. Let us
Enough!
Let the spirit of Papa kill you there.
What is wrong with you? Enough! You still have more to talk. For the crime and outrageous evil you committed in this family, I, as the head of this family, I cast and banish you from being our daughter. You will cook what you eat. Your crime killed your father. He couldn't bear the pain, and the anguish killed him. For that, I banish you from being part of this family. From today, you will cease to be part of us. And you will never step your foot into this house again. I have spoken.
And so shall it be.
Chidinma, your father is late now. So please, you need to make peace with your sister.
See, Ulisa, she have to take it. Yes, they have to accept it in good faith. That is the only way peace can reign.
Chidinma, I need you to understand that what you did was heartbreaking. Okay? So you don't just expect her to accept you just like that.
Why are you here?
Kenneth, how are you?
Useless. I'm in chain. The chain you and my brother put me into.
Look, I really don't care. You trying to tell my sister what has been going on? Who cares? You think I care? I don't.
So why are you here?
I'm here to see the face of a murderer. Look, I'll be glad to tell my sister what has been going on between your brother and I. Yes. Tell her I'm married to your brother. I'm your brother's wife.
I regret the day you and my brother subdued me to this.
And who cares?
Officer!
Madam, your time is up.
Move it. Mother.
I've been waiting for this day. See, I'm no longer scared.
Chidima, you really need to apologize and show some remorse. If not for anything, for the sake of your late father.
Kulisa, you don't know me. See, if she wants peace, I will give it to her. If she wants war, me, I did.
Chidima, what are you talking about? No one wants war. Of course we want peace. And besides, both of you are pregnant.
Kulisa, please come off it. It doesn't matter.
Listen, Adaeze will never hurt a fly. I know her very well. Okay? All I just want is for you to team up and fight these elders that are trying to come in.
Hey, please. Please, me, I don't care.
You know you're so difficult to talk to. And honestly, you've changed over the years. This is definitely not the Chidima I used to know. This can't be you. I'm really surprised.
I hate you, Kelvin. You rotten hell. I hate you.
I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Yes, your husband had his reasons. He once told you to let this girl go, but you didn't listen. Perhaps that was when all this infidelity started. Yes, now look at it. Just take a look at it now.
Adaeze, I'm lost for words right now. I really don't know what to say or do. This is so overwhelming. I understand that you are deeply hurt, and this is quite a lot for you to take in. But I need the both of you to make peace. Please, you need to let go of the past. I need peace to reign between the both of you. Please, I'm begging you.
Ada, I totally support what he said. The deed has been done.
I cannot forgive Chidima. She is not my sister.
But you can't continue to keep fighting. There must be peace. Come on.
Do you know that Chidima is the cause of my father's death? And the both of you are here preaching forgiveness? Dora Chidima cannot be my co-wife. Hell no!
But it is so clear. She was included in the will. And she has legitimate kids for your husband. So what are you going to do? Are you going to kill your sister's children? Or kill the Chidima you once loved and sacrificed so much for? Is that what you're going to do? Come on. There must be peace. Please.
Adaeze, listen, I'm talking to her already. You just have to forgive her. Find a place in your heart to forgive her, please.
Listen, I need the both of you to stop talking to me about forgiving Chidima, because I will never forgive her over my dead body. I hate her with everything in me. I hate her with all the blood and water running through my veins.
We are faced with what you hated now. No one is happy about all this. But we must embrace reality for the sake of the children. Chidima, please.
It's okay, please. I think we should give her some time. Okay, this is a whole lot for her to take in. I can understand she's hurt. Maybe with time she will, be free with her sister.
You see, my dear, I'm a support of you. I'm fully behind you. If you are supposed to be taken as a first wife because you gave my late brother beautiful children, a boy and a girl. So how are the children?
Nai, I don't have all day, please. Go straight to the point. My kids are with me and they are fine.
Okay, let me go straight to the point. You see, you are supposed to be taken as a first wife. You understand? So all these things you and your sisters do, I don't understand. So I will advise you on what to do to put an end to all this rubbish once and for all. You get it? Now, I think you should wall your sister out of that house completely. So you possess your position.
How?
Take her off the scene completely. I will not mislead you.
Nai, talk now. How?
Okay. You have to eliminate her, kill her, so that you will take over, have your peace. You understand?
Nai, you're suggesting I should kill my own sister?
Yes. Kill her once and for all, so that you take over your position. And once that's happened, you have your peace. Nobody drags anything with you. You have no problem with anybody. You are just in charge. After all, you have a son for my brother. And besides, you won't do it as if nobody will know that you did it. Just send the spiritual, attack on her. She will just break down and just die. There won't be any trace. Nothing.
Nine.
Yes. And you have to also make me happy too. By giving me some lands, 3 or 4 land, even if it's one in Abuja. That the lawyer read in the will, one of the house you give me. Maybe 3 in the village. Let me also enjoy my brother's money with you, Yes. Don't be surprised, my dear. As we speak now, you don't even know what your sister is doing. She might be planning to even kill you. You don't know. Don't forget, she's a wounded lion now. You know how wounded lions are. They can devour anything devourable. So before she divorces you, you have to first of all devour her. But that one you give to me is very important. Yeah, I already say, 1 in the city and 3 in the village, So, but take her out.
Nine.
Before. Yes.
Nine.
Think about it, my dear. Think about it.
Since it has gotten to this level, I'm now on your side. Yes, I'm standing by you completely. I declare my support for you. You see, what your sister did is evil. Nukutalo. Greater abomination, greater height of sacrilege. The gods are angry. Even the spirit of your papa is not resting in peace. It is not happy because he died because of this. You see, what I'm trying to proffer is a fine solution to end this menace. And the solution at this moment is to take her off. Completely take her off. Just take her off and everything will normalize. You'll regain your peace. Yes.
What do you mean by taking her off?
You see, I know she is your blood. But the war and unrest in your heart can never end so long she's still alive. So I'll take you to a powerful Dibia in the village. Very powerful. You just call her out on a mirror, then you make your choice. Either you strike her there once, or you send an accident and destroy her, or you send a spiritual snake to just one point, boom! She's dead. Either way, she don't go. And she'll just go like that and you regain your peace. You enjoy your husband's wealth in peace. But it will cost you. It will cost you. It will cost you much. just few plots of land, either 5 or 6. And we end all these things once and for all.
Sir, wait though. Are you asking me to kill my sister Chidinma?
Yes. No, us. Let us kill her. And end all this once and for all. You are the one that is recognized as my nephew's wife by tradition. Your sister cannot just come and start reaping where she did not sow. What are you trying to do? What is that? Are you trying to call somebody? Oh.
No, sir, I'm with you.
Okay. Make your call.
Hello, sir. Is that the commissioner?
Commissioner for women?
Yes. I need you to send 10 boys to my house immediately. I need them to pick up someone.
I hope everything is fine.
Yes. One of the evil elders is in my house right now and I need you to pick him up.
And you did not tell me that I am taking a risk.
Sir, be fast about it.
It's not me. I can't be here when that one happens. Hey!
Fool!
My flesh and blood of Abraham, Ewujimo. My flesh and blood of Abraham. I sacrificed my life for you. I gave you all, one never. I showed you love when I showed you care when my flesh and blood one more bugini kameragi What have I not done to please you? What is my crime? After all my effort to see you through, I get nothing from you. In return, all you gave me was backbiting, betrayal of trust, a breach of confidence. Give me
you doing there? Ada, Chidimma, didn't you come to this farm together? Are you people are there eating bread and drinking mineral? People come and join me and farm.
Mama, we are coming now. Let us do something in our stomach and come and join you. Don't know a strength that isn't found.
What have you used your strength to do today?
Mama, don't be walking. We are coming.
Mama,
trekking from the house to this farm. Did you know the energy that you put? Let us refill on it.
The person that will do the farm, you are doing the eating.
We are coming. We are coming.
No problem.
Now go and join Mama. Now you want the last born in this house. Which one's last born? Only for food that you know you are the last born. Like you are eating in this house. You're supposed to join Mama. Look at Mama there working. You cannot go and join her. You are dragging bread and cooking food. Them.
Mama, come on, I'll beat this girl here. I'll beat you. Mama, one at down. You just leave me alone.
You know what? Only food.
Chidima, I'll beat you here. Hey, join her.
Can you imagine? No atom of fear. Me a days kill my own sister.
My husband's did him. Oh no, Misha. I want my daughters to settle this their matter amicably. I want them to come back together in peace. Mazi, Isibodim, I want you to lift that banishment from my daughter. I want her to come back to this family. No matter what, she's my daughter. She's my blood. Oh, Mama Kobo, whatever she has done, I'm forgiving her. Let her come back to the same family. All of us, let us be together. The man knows. I can't afford to see my children scattered. This banishment, the anguish is too much. I will die of pain. Because
well, we are the custodians of the tradition of this land, and we must do things accordingly. We have already decided on her matter, and there's no going back. Chidimma killed her father, our brother, and we have to do what we need to do as the men in this family, and that is what we have done.
Ifeoma, Chidimma fooled all of us. She really dealt with us. She disgraced the name of this family and rubbed the family name on the mud. Ifeoma, come to think of it, how can a younger sister connive with the elder sister's husband to come here and do fake marriage with the younger brother of the sister's husband? No, that's a very big calamity. I don't see what you want us to do in this.
See, we have done what we're supposed to do traditionally. We have done the necessary sacrifice to appease the gods, to wash our hands off this abomination. We have also, in that sacrifice, we also cover the whole family to see that no member of this family is part of that abomination she committed. If we did anything otherwise, the gods will be angry with us. So her matter is already closed.
She's my child.
Ifeoma, stand up, sit down. Stand up and sit down. I say you should stand up. Sit down if you want me to talk. Ifeoma, let me ask you, what are you begging us to do? Ifeoma, Chidimma committed an abomination.
Oh, mistake.
That mistake is haunting all of us. It's unheard of. Go around the whole village and community and ask questions.
If we do otherwise, it will affect each and every one of us, including you. Let us wait, let us calm down and know what the mind of the gods are before we can do anything. Look at your husband, Okonkwo is no more.
Hi,
okay. We don't want to lose any other person.
Imagine okay so now. We cannot throw away the water that was used to bathe the baby and the baby.
Like I said, calm down. We know what to do. But let the gods, the anger of the gods, let it come down first. We have had you. Just calm down. We know what to do.
Hey!
Chidima, leave this house before I do something we both will regret.
Ada, what will you do? There is nothing you can do. You think I'm scared of you?
Don't dare me further.
Chidima, what do you want? Eh?
Hey, leave this place. I'm not here for you. Ada, go in there, get those documents and hand them over to me right now.
Even in your grave, your ghost will never smell it.
Really? You think I'm still a baby? Hey, Ada!
Chidima!
Go in there, get those documents and hand them to me right now.
Since you have cleared my doubts, you know what? Just wait here. I will get the documents for you. Wait here, don't go anywhere.
Chidima! You!
Hey, dummy, shut up and leave my presence. I'm not here for you.
You of all people, Chidima! You did this to your sister! After everything she did for you!
Shut up, you dirty man! I'm not here for you. Before you end up in jail.
Oh, really? You've suddenly forgot the care, the attention, everything she sacrificed for you, Chidima!
I will give you a dirty slap if you're still standing here.
Ada, please! Ada, please! Ada, please! Ada, Ada, please!
Leave this place now!
Ada, please! Shoot me, Ada!
Ada,
don't worry. I'm coming back for you.
Dora, get out of the way!
I'm coming for you.
Leave this house!
You go! Ada, please! Please! Ada, please! Please! Ada, please! Ada, please! Ada, please! Ada, please!
My flesh and
please! Ada, let's go inside. Let's go inside, please. Please. Please.
My flesh.
Please, my son. Talk to my children for me. Help me talk to them. They have all abandoned me to face themselves. Fighting themselves unto death. They want to kill themselves. They don't take my calls anymore. Chidima thinks I hate her. How can a mother hate her own child? No matter what, I will never hate her.
Mama, it's alright. It's alright. I've heard you. I will talk to them. Okay? I will try and talk to them again.
And the elders have refused to forgive Chidima. I don't even know how to go about that word.
It's okay, Mama. About the elders, I'm talking to them already. And I believe very soon they will change their mind. I believe so. Mama, please. You really have to stop crying. Everything will be fine.
Everything will not be fine. Everything will not be fine. Oh, my children. My children, they want to kill themselves.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. You know, crying is not good for you. Eh? Everything will be fine, Mama.
I don't see that happening. I don't see that happening.
Nazike, my brother. What are we going to do about our late brother's children warring against themselves? We cannot allow them to continue like this. We cannot. Because they need to settle this matter so that they can bury their father.
Mazi, honestly, I don't really know what to do or what to say. My issue here is that Ada refused to accept her fate.
Exactly.
And Chidema is not backing her down either.
She's not backing down. No.
I don't know.
She's standing her ground.
Let her stand. But our decree on her still stands. She will never be part of our family again. Omelalo.
But are we not at least going to give her the chance to bury her father?
What are you saying? Then what is the essence of banning her in the first place? If you allow her to come and bury her father, that means all our effort is in vain. Ada is equal to the task. Ada can do all that. Ada can bury her father without her. Let her stay out so that yes.
You have a point. But we need to talk to Ada. To know that to bury Okonkwo choose for a choose.
I know.
To bury Okonkwo is not an 1 naira business.
I know. I know. But I know that she's equal to the task. Is it not Ada that be feeding Chidema? What did Chidema have? She has nothing. It's Ada that be feeding her. So Ada is equal to the task. She will do it.
We'll talk to her.
Yes.
I'm sure. I agree with you. I know she can.
We'll talk to her.
I'll go my problem. I know she can do it.
Yes. I'm telling you, Oji, that woman is evil. She nearly arrested me with 10 policemen. I had to run for my life. I ran to Nnakwe's son's house. I slept there. And the next morning, I landed in this village.
You don't mean it?
Honestly. I'm telling you, you can't believe it.
But what? You didn't tell me you are going to see her.
I went there to threaten her further. I even went with some boys and some forces. But let's not go there. Let's not go there.
What's your fault? Are you sure you didn't go there for something different? Because how can you be traveling without carrying me along?
What do you mean something different? I went to the city and I decided to branch there. That's all. Yes.
Anyway, so what about how do we now go? I mean our plans.
Plans? Yes. Which plans again? Plans. Did you not hear when I said that Commissioner of Police is now involved? And you are talking of plans. Please don't involve me again. I don't want to go to jail. I don't want police case.
So you mean we're going to allow those two sisters to take over our property, the properties of our brother's son, late brother's son, Kevin, knowing fully well they killed him?
Nobody killed anybody. Oji, nobody killed anybody. Kevin practically died on top of a woman in the hotel. So, what are you saying here? Nobody killed him. So, please, let's get out of here.
Bam. I have a plan.
You have a plan?
Yes.
What is the plan?
Let's see tomorrow. Yes.
Okay.
Let's just see tomorrow.
Tomorrow then. See you tomorrow.
Okay.
My dear brother.
Yeah.
Dora, help me call Olisa. He knows what to do.
Please.
Anna, you can go.
Move.
Stop wasting our time and move.
Don't push me.
Madam,
Don't push me. I'll
respected you
move.
enough.
Don't.
Stop wasting our time, please.
Move.
No, you are not going to take it. No, you won't. I heard that you closed the filling stations and chased out the tenants in the house. Ha! That's a strong woman way you pull out there. Oh. You are very strong indeed.
Thank you, Nai.
But I advise you are going to be careful. Extremely careful. Because your sister is coming back to bite you. And she's going to bite you so hard.
Nai, don't worry, I'm careful.
No, not what I mean, just being careful. I mean, you're not going to fight this battle with just physical hands. You are going to add something to eat. You see, your sister may first go diabolical on you, that she's not going to give you a breathing space.
The case is already in courts, and I'm winning already.
What if you take her off? Yes, you take her off After you've taken her off, you now have breathing space, you have peace. You have all your late husband's properties. Look, if you don't take this advice, you are going to regret it. But if you will agree to give me just 5 pieces of land, I'm going to take you to where it can be done.
You mean to kill her?
Yes, that's the only way. To kill her. If you kill her, you have peace. If you don't kill her, she may kill you first. You see, I heard that Oji has been advising your sister to eliminate you. So you better take this advice. If Oji is a very bad man, I know him very well. He's my brother. Yes.
I see. So Oji is now advising my sister to kill me.
Please, don't tell him I say so. But yes.
Hey. I understand, don't worry.
Yes, if you just give me only 5 plots of land, I'll help you do it. Just 5 plots of land and it will be done.
Nai, you know what? I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay. You get back to me just like that. And she just walked away like that. You get back to me. Not even caring to give me any money, no matter how small. Idiots. Fools. Okay now, I'll be waiting. You get back to me.
What? I told you to calm down. You want to get us killed.
What are you saying? But I was driving carefully.
Ada, you have to calm down.
But I am calm. Chidima will certainly hear from me for arresting me in my own house.
Ada, you heard what the commissioner said. There must be peace. You have to make peace with her. That's the only way to show sign of maturity.
Peace is a sign of weakness to me.
My flesh and blood,
Hello, Chidima. Yes, please, I need to see you right away. I just left the village. I'm on my way to the airport. Chidima, for Christ's sake, you should give me the chance to talk to you and your elder sister. Someone needs to talk to you and your elder sister. Do you realize your sister almost had an accident on her way back from the state CID? Yes! Her friend told me that. Listen, all this locking of shops, houses, and gas stations has to stop. Okay, it has to. And I've reported you girls to the Igwe of the town. He wants to have a discussion with the both of you. You said you're not coming? Chidima, what is wrong with you? Don't you want this matter to... Hello? Hello?
I get nothing from you.
This girl is no longer the Chidima I used to. She's not. She's definitely a changed person.
Hey! Papa Daisy! You're alive! Am I dreaming? Hey!
Tell my children to stop fighting. It is the handiwork of the enemy. Tell them to stop fighting themselves. Tell them to embrace peace.
This is what we could have done since than going to her. Huh? Let's all join forces together. You understand? Join forces. And just eliminate this here now. Just eliminate them once and for all.
You are very right.
The people will even believe that it is calamity that killed them. That's what they will believe.
Wait one. You know, the walls have ears. You don't know who might be listening. You know, you are very right. And then we'll claim everything and send their children away.
You're talking about who cares about all those ones? Let's talk about ourselves becoming billionaires. You have it, my brother. You are not far.
You are not far from the truth.
What did she come to do? Did you invite her?
I'll ask you that. How can I invite her?
Don't
worry till she get here.
How are you? Hold it there.
Eh?
Please. I want the both of you to stay clear from me and my sister's issues. Yes, I won't warn you again. This is my last warning to the both of you. If I hear any more of this, the both of you will be as good as dead.
Huh?
Yes. Stay clear. The both of you should stay clear. Old fools.
Huh?
She's
dead. Bye bye to your grave. Don't mind her. She's as good as dead.
So we are talking of eliminating them. But I thought she wanted her sister out of the way. Or is she getting confused or what?
The gods did it. In fact, I can't wait for the day to come. You know what I mean? Capping was a otago. That I put to the was no. Hi.
Me too. I can't wait.
Oh my God.
I can't wait.
That is the good one.
Hi.
Yeah. Threatening who?
Nah, check it. I'm welcome. Can what take a little money? Let me get you a drink.
Chidinma, I am warning you.
No, what will you do? You want to shoot me? No, shoot me! They shoot me. I dare you to do that. You won't try it.
You spoilt brat. You spoilt brat that I trained, calling me by my name.
No, who are you? An ordinary housewife without degree. That's who you are. Now get the documents. Adese, don't try me.
If you have blood running in your veins, shoot! You're not getting any documents, idiot.
Dora, food is ready.
Are you okay? What do you mean? Why are you asking me if I'm okay? Stop! What is it?
I had a dream. A very terrible dream. It's about you and your younger sister, Chidinma.
What about us?
I dreamed how she shot you dead. Right here, in this spot.
Stop the drama, of course, that's not possible.
I know what I saw. It is so real. I'm serious. You really need to be careful because of your unborn child, please.
Stop being dramatic. She will never shoot me.
I'm serious. I'm really worried. Please.
You're a very good actor. Daydreamer, Joseph. Stay and be dreaming. Joseph. Let's go now.
Secrets cannot be hidden forever. You cannot eat a crab without drawing people's attention. Madonna Fukwagi, Imeganima, Imeja, Anyamado Furugi. Nothing is hidden before God. And don't forget, don't forget. Whatever you did in the dark must come to light. As a woman cannot cover her pregnancy for long, so no evil shall be hidden for long. No matter how you try to hide them, no matter how you try to cover up.
Onye si na mama nli ọ ngị nwa bụ onye ama nli. Ngị nwa bụ agada gbachiri ụzọ. Ịgbachie ụzọ adọka agada ya ma na-aga ugo ebere na mgbagwu. Kama ọnụ na-elibu elibu ga-ebu ọnụ. Nke bu ọnụ ka bulukwa ọnụ obu. Maka na anyị ga na-aga. Chidimma, esi na ị ga-anọchiri m. Wee na-agwa anyị mma nnọchi. Tata ka obi. Tata ka ị ga-afụ ndụ nke ikpeazụ. Chidimma, welie. Hey! Ogaba! Hey! Ogaba! Hey! One has left. It is done. She's on her way to the other side now. Sit down, sit down. I told you, I believe in what Onuncha told us.
So it is done now, it has been done.
It is done completely.
Hey! This one is a good thing.
It is now remaining her sister. One of these days she'll sleep and she will not wake up.
Hey! All getting a fear. By then, we'll be taking over. All the whole properties, the money, this one, that, everything will now belong to us.
That is called teamwork.
Teamwork?
Yes.
Complete teamwork.
And then we'll come out fully and claim all the properties, all that belong to us.
But Kevin is stingy.
Very stingy.
You can imagine where his uncle is just giving just 2 plots of land.
Two plots, just out of the plots of land he's scattered everywhere,
including the billions in the account. Everything.
Can you imagine? But now we will claim even the filling stations.
One day.
How do you want them? Ofo, how do you want them?
Money in the fake waju.
Ofo,
you ajo.
Ofo ncha.
Ofo, you go ajo.
Ofo ncha. Hey. Ofo konkus.
Doctor, please, so what's the situation? I must confess, the chance of her surviving the accident is minimal. She has lost a lot of blood and she has miscarriage at the process. But don't worry, I'll see what I can do.
Doctor, please, you have to do everything you can to save her, okay? Listen, money is not the problem, all right? Just do all you can, put in your very best, I'm begging you, please.
Don't worry, like I said, we are trying our best, you know? If you don't mind, just excuse me, I'm coming.
Okay, doctor, but please, put in your very best. Please, I'm begging you.
Don't worry.
I must open the gate. Calm down. I should calm down. I'm telling my sister to had an accident. You're telling me to calm down.
Calm down now.
In the hospital now.
Oh my gosh. Ada, calm down.
In the hospital.
hospital now.
Ada, calm down. Oh my God. Ada.
What is wrong with this car now? It wouldn't start.
Ada, calm down. Okay, you can use the other car. Calm down.
Dora, the whole cars in this compound are faulty.
Oh my God. Ada.
What should I do now? What sort of thing is this now?
Calm down. Your sister is still alive. That's what Olisa said.
No, let me just follow this. I need to find out the situation of things.
Ada.
Oh my God, Olisa, pick the phone.
Ada, calm down now. Hey, calm down.
Why is he not picking now? Hello, Olisa. How is she? The accident was fatal. Oh my God. Are you sure she's still alive? Are you sure she's still breathing? She is. Okay, please, can you give her the phone? No. Oxygen, no. Oh my God, Olisa. I don't want anything to happen to my sister. I'm trying to start the car. It wouldn't start. I don't even know what is happening to me. Do you know what? Please do everything humanly possible. I'll be with you in a jiffy, please. Oh my God.
See, you need to calm down.
Dora, my sister is almost dead. I don't want anything to happen to her.
So you really wish this your sister is still alive? Eh?
What are you saying? Dora, you wish my only sister dead? God forbid, nothing will happen to my sister. Stop now. I can never wish my sister dead. Wait, do you think I should call my mom?
It's okay. Don't call your mom. Everything will be fine.
I should not call her?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what? Let's get a taxi. Let's go. Let's just go.
Ada, calm down now. Ada! Ada!
To see you through, I get nothing from you. In return, all you gave me was backbiting, betrayal of trust.
Chidima, please wake up. Chidima, don't do this to me. Chidima, please. You cannot stop breathing. Doctor! Chidima, please. Chidima, I love you. Chidima, you're my only sister. Mama, please, no. Go, Chidima, don't do this to me. Chidima, please. Chidima, see, I forgive you. I forgive you with all my heart. Chidima, please. Chidima, you cannot die. Chidima, who will be my sister? Jesus! Chidima, please. Doctor, no! Chidima, please now, just wake up. Wake up and talk to me. I forgive you. I forgive you with all my heart. Chidima, please. Chidima, please now wake up, please now. I don't have anybody in this world. Mama, please now call the pastor. Chidima, don't.
Where am I? What am I doing here? And who are you? Do not waste my time. We have a very long journey to go. Let's go. I'm not coming with you. I'm not.
Where are you taking me to?
When we get to our destination, we will understand better. I am only a messenger to take you home. Be fast, Chidima. We do not have all day.
No,
No, I'm not coming with you. I'm not coming with you.
Leave her alone.
Papa, Papa, please save me.
I am assigned to accompany her home. She must go home with me.
It is not yet her time.
Help me, Papa. Papa, please don't let her take me. Please, Papa, have mercy on me.
Chidinma, you must go home. You had a chance to repent while on earth, but you choose to be wicked. You choose to be wicked to your sister and everyone around you. You must go home till the last judgment.
No.
I have the final say. She was my earthly daughter, my flesh, my blood.
No. No. That is the reason why you wander in the wilderness of death. She must go home with me.
You messenger of death, I command you to go back to where you came from. Now. Chidinma, you caused me so much pain.
Papa, thank you, Papa. Papa, please, I'm sorry.
I have come to rescue you and your sister, so that you will not come this side untimely. Go and make up with your sister. If you refuse, both of you shall cross the path, and the next is judgment, where you will suffer in anguish. Be kind. Learn to forgive. Do not hate. And show love. That is your way to life on earth. Run. I say run. You shall cross many rivers. No matter how tasty you are, do not drink water. Do not eat anything on your way, because if you do, you shall remain with us. Now go. The messengers of death are angry with you. Do not let them come back. Go now.
Wow, this is a miracle. My dear, how are you feeling?
I'm fine, doctor.
Well, ma'am, as you can see, she's very, very weak. She needs food to regain her strength. Please, just get her food.
That's fine, doctor.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you. Mama, I will have to go and get her food. Mama, please, be strong. Nothing will happen to you. You're fine already. I'll be back.
See, your sister called a pastor, and the pastor has been here praying for the past 12 hours. And God came down mightily, and you were delivered. You are alive in the land of the living. Nothing will happen to you.
Amen. She's very weak.
Yeah.
Yes, she should be weak because she's coming from a very, very far journey. But we thank God for everything. May our God be praised. Amen. Thank you, Father.
My uncles, Mama,
sister. Please, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for everything I did. I did abominable things. Yes, I'm evil. Please, I ask for your forgiveness. I'm so sorry. Please, you should forgive me. Please, Mama.
Adeze, Mom, forgive your little sister. She's your only sister. As an even one day, I didn't know. Oyibo will say, blood is thicker than water. As he blew me away in the image. Wow. Forgive her. Oh, I know she hurt you.
Oh, sister, please, I'm sorry. My uncles, please, I don't want to be cast out. I'm so sorry, please forgive me. Mama, please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Chidem, you say you saw your father in the land of the dead.
Yes, Uncle.
And he rescued you from the hands of the old woman who wanted to send you back to your last destination on earth.
Yes, I saw Papa. He asked me to go back on earth. Then I saw Obinna and Ulimba.
Obinna and Uli?
Yes.
The baby that died in my womb, she was supposed to be my eldest daughter.
No. That's not Obinna and Ali, so. That's not them. But let's leave that for now. There's more important thing than that. Mazen.
Chidem,
Uncle.
You see the love of parents. After all you did, he still rescued you from the land of the dead. He still saved you. If not for him, you would have died in coma. But he wants you to come back and learn your lessons and correct your mistakes. I think I'm seeing a more humble Chidinma, and I just hope you have learned your lesson.
Yes. You are welcome. Welcome back. And welcome back to the family. We all have forgiven you.
Oh.
The banishment has been lifted.
Okay.
You are now part of us.
Thank
You
you.
can interact with anybody in the family.
Thank you.
You're welcome back.
Thank you so much, my husband.
It's okay.
Thank you. Lekwa na isi mo ikpere m nọkwa naanị. Daalụ no o. Akwa mmadụ ka eji aka o. Have you seen they have forgiven you? Strengthen your life. Ubelbe buru nube. Oh?
Mama.
Anyị netara n'anya ka ọ bụrụ mosquito. Oh? Oh, nwa.
Yes, Mama.
I forgive you. I forgive you. Oh?
Thank you, Mama. I forgive you. I forgive you with all my heart. Thank you, sister. Chidinma, I don't want to lose you the way we lost Obinna. I forgive every wrong that you have done to me. I accept you back as my sister. I love you. I love you too, sister. I'm sorry.
Ofo? Mazi Ofo? Mazi Ofo? What? Ofo? 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 Hey! Iṣẹ́ àdá. Iṣẹ́ ọ̀fọ̀ àdá. Ofo? Hey! Ofo! 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 Hey! Ofo! Ofo àná.
Lisa.
Yeah.
Thank you for everything. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you for being a good friend. Thank you for making sure I and my sister reconcile.
Come on now, that's okay. I mean, you don't expect me to walk away from you, even in your trying time. Hmm? And as for your pregnancy, I'm sorry about that. Really sorry about your miscarriage.
It's fine. It is okay. At least my life didn't go for it.
Yeah, that's true.
So when will you be going back to Abuja?
Tomorrow or next. And you?
Maybe next week. You know I'll be staying back for my dad's burial and Kelvin.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So please do take care of yourself, okay?
Lisa.
Yeah?
I love you. You're a good man. Thank you for everything.
And you will always be the queen of my heart. I love you.
Go well.
Take very good care of yourself. I'll give you a call when I get there.
We'll be expecting.
Don't stress yourself.
I won't.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Ada, wake up. It's me, Kelvin. I'm here to apologize. I hurt you so much. I betrayed your love for me. I betrayed your trust for me. I treated you so bad. I tried to be a good man, but I was not. I was carried away. I feel so ashamed of myself. I'm here to beg for your forgiveness. I have been wandering without rest. My soul can't rest in peace because you haven't forgiven me. Aja, please, forgive me. I promise never to hurt you again.
It's not your fault. I was blinded by sister's love and protection. I'm sorry I didn't heed to your advice. It's my fault.
No, my love. It's all my fault. I was carried away. I should have listened to you. I cheated on you so many times. I lied so many times. I'm here to beg for your forgiveness. Please, forgive me.
I forgive you. I forgive you with all my heart. Please come back home. I miss you so much. Life is so hard without you. My love, please come back.
I'm so sorry, Ada. My time on earth is up. I have to go. But please, do me one favor. Take care of my kids. And tell them I love them.
My love, please don't go. Please.
Kelvin. Sister.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. I saw Kelvin.
You saw Kelvin in your dream?
Yes.
Sister, it's a dream now. It's a male dream. Eh? Kelvin is gone. Eh?
He was asking me to forgive him. We were talking and he vanished.
Don't worry, it's just a dream, okay? You'll be fine. Kelvin is gone. Huh?
Okay.
So, sister, what do you think about I and Elisa? We just finished talking on phone.
Let's take a walk, okay? We can talk about it.
It's alright, sister.
I feel Olisa